Cyber Mafia CommanderX does not support any illegal activities. All content or instruction provided by this channel is only for educational purpose. If you are using any of those techniques for illegal purpose, we are not responsible for your activity.
Didn't even get to bronze.
What's up, hackers? Welcome to Cyber Mafia CommanderX official. In this instruction, you will learn about target geolocation tracking and many more with Seeker toolkit. Also learn how to prevent this type of attack. Seeker is a social engineering tool that require location permission when a target browse Seeker generated website. Many people does not know about social engineering, so they click and give location permission. Let's begin. First of all, let's install Seeker in Kali Linux. For this, clone the repository and follow the installation process.
I'm just calling to say
We does not need this 2 Arch and Termux installation bash script, so remove them. Let's run the seeker.py for see it's install or not, and it's installed successfully. Let's move on how to use Seeker and how to defend geolocation tracking. And first, we run Seeker and see how it's work. For this, type python 3 seeker.py-t manual. Then, choose a template. I use Google Drive. Then, just type drive web name drive.google.com.
I'm just calling to say
When you see waiting for user interaction message, then start Ngrok HTTP on port 8080 in another terminal. For attacking simulation, we use Slack's Linux virtual machine. Let's type the Ngrok URL in Google Chrome. Now you can see, a Google Drive web page is open, and it say you need permission. When victim click request access, then it require location permission. Then victim just allow location and boom. We get the device critical information like the OS, public IP, city etc. And last, we run Seeker on custom port. The process is simple. Just give any port number and run Ngrok with the port number. That's it.
I'm just calling to say
For template selection, I use Nearyou, and other things is same like first process. Let's see how we prevent or defend this type of attack. The first rule is, never click random link without proxy or VPN, and never allow random permission like location, camera, clipboard, etc. Also there is browser feature that help you to prevent location access. For use this on Firefox, click on menu icon. Then click on Preferences. Then click on Privacy and Security tab. Then scroll down and go to Permission Settings. Then click on Location and tick mark to block new requests asking to access your location. Now let's test this. For this, open the Ngrok link in Firefox and click Continue. Now you can see failed to access location permission. But seeker captures some information like CPU, GPU, browser, etc. So, don't click unwanted link without Tor proxy. Let's see what can do Chrome user. If you are a Chrome user, then follow this instruction to prevent location access. Just go Chrome location settings and block new location request.
I'm just calling to say
Thank you for watching. If you learned something valuable, then subscribe for support and more content. Bye. We are anonymous, expect us.